Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss the AP from the Emil Agarwal 2025 edition. The exercise is 9.3. Let's discuss the sum number here today. Exercise is 13.3. 3 3. Supposed to be 3 3 3. Given. What is given? Given D is 5. Okay, no problem. Is 9. Ace 9 is 75. Find A and A9. A9 and. Clear? What is the question? Given D is 5. Common difference is 5. S9 is 75. Find A, man, that is the first. What is the first term? And A9. A9 means what is the value of ninth term? S9 means value of the total 9 terms, sum of the total 9 terms. This value is this. But this means A9 means particularly what is the value of the ninth term, no number term, ninth term value. So first you know A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You know it very well. So A9, that means n is 9, A plus n is 9 minus 1 into D is 5. So A9 is equal to A plus 8 into 5. That means A9 is A plus 40. That's clear. A plus 40 is clear. That means it will that A9, but actually what is the value of the ninth term? That is A plus 40. Now just you calculate the value of A, just you add it, you get it. Now one is Sn. Sn is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2 bracket twice A n minus 1 into D. That is the value of the Sn. Sn is n by 2 twice A bracket n minus 1 into D. Is clear? From there you calculate the value of A and you just add it, you get the value of A9. Is clear? The conception must be clear. তুমি কিভাবে অঙ্কটা করবে, that is in your brain. Always দেখে খেলে যাবে. Just you calculate in which way you solve the sum. That is very important. Okay. So here is Sn. That means S9 actually. Here is 75. That is what is the number of terms? N. N is 9 actually. N is 9. So 9 by 2 bracket twice. You don't know the value of A. Okay. Plus you know the value of N. N is 9. 9 minus 1. And you know the value of D. D is 5. Clear? Clear? So here is first one. 75 into 2 by 9. That is equal to bracket twice A plus. This is also what's the value of this? N minus 1 into D. Okay. This is 8 into 5. 8 into 5. Okay, no problem. Cut up. This is 3. 325. This is 50 by 3. This is and minus this is 40. That is equal to twice A. Because 5 8s are 40 from shifting minus. So this is 50 minus 120 by 3. So this is 70 by 3. But minus, this is greater. And this is 2. That is the value of A. 2 is cut. So this is 35. What is the value of A? A is minus 35 by 3. That is the value of A. That is the value of A. A is minus 35 by 3. That is the value of A. Value of A is minus 35 by 3. Now put the value. A9, that is value of minus 35 by 3 plus 40. So this is actually minus 35 plus 120 by 3. So here is actually, this is 35. So 40, 85. 85 by 3. So what is the value of the 9th term in this series? 85 by 3. This is the answer. It's clear. So given D is 5, S9 is sum of this. This is 75. Find the value of A. First term. What is the value of the first term? This is value of the first term is 35 by 3. And the value of the 9th term in that series, this is 85 by 3. This is very clear to you. Very important thing is this. A9. A9 means value of the 9th term. And S9 means what sum of the total 9 term. What is the value of the sum of the total 9 term? নখানা যে টার্ম তার যে টোটাল সামটা তার ভ্যালু হচ্ছে এটা সামটা এটা হচ্ছে অনলি পার্টিকুলার 9 টার্ম ইজ ওকে নাও দ্য নেক্সট সাম ওকে ইটস ক্লিয়ার নাও দ্য নেক্সট সাম ক্লিয়ার আমি জাস্ট এগুলো দেখাচ্ছি জাস্ট ইউ অ্যাপ্লাই দ্য ফর্মুলা in which way the formula will be applied and the maths will be solved. Okay. Now the next sum. This is also from the email Agrawal 9.3 and the sum number is this is 3 not this is 4. Now this is 4. I just already discussed all the sums in the very broad sense that will be very understanding to you, very easier to you. So you just own in your home to do all the sums from the different books also. Clear? Now, the one sum A, this is sum number 4. A is 8. Okay. AN is 62. Very good sum. SN is 210. Find N and D. Okay, clear? I just write at the different problem, different type of problem. Certain is given, other is unknown. That will be find out from this using 2 or 3 formulas from the AP. The concept must be clear. You do all this sum. A is given. A means the first term is 8. AN means 62. That means the value of the nth term is 62. The concept must be clear. First term is A. In case of the AP series, first term is A. What is the value of the nth term? Nth term value is this. SN 210, that means sum of the total n terms, tar value কত? এটা. Find the value of n means number of terms টা কত and the common difference টা কত. Is okay. Now, okay. So you know AN, the formula is n is equal to, what is the formula? N is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You know it. N is 62. What is the first term? This is A, 8. You know number of terms. You don't know the number of terms. So this is n minus 1 and you don't know the value of D. Is clear? So this is 62 minus 8. That is n minus 1 into D. This is actually 54. 54. This is n minus 1 into D. Is clear? So what is the value of n minus 1 into D? This is 54. Clear? No problem. Now, SN. What is the value? N by 2 bracket twice A n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 twice A n minus 1 into D. You know Sn is 210. You don't know the value of n, so n by 2. This is 2a. 2a is 8. Now, n minus 1 into d, what is the value? N minus 1 into d is 54, you just put here. 54. It's clear? It's clear to you? Now, this is actually 210 into 2, that is equal to n bracket 8 to the 16 plus 54. It's clear to you? Now, this is 210 by, this is at 54 plus 6, 60, 70. So 70, that is equal to n. No problem? No problem? Is clear? Now this is 0, 0 is cut. This is 3. So 6. That means what is the value of n is 6. Find the value of n, 6. That means number of terms is 6. What is the value of d? You know here. So this n minus 1 into d, that is 54. Okay. So what is the value of n? N is 6. 6 minus 1 into d. This is 54. So this is 5 into d. 54. So d is actually 54 by 5. D is actually 54 by 5. This is the answer. Find the value of n is 6. Find the value of d. D is 54 by 5. D is 54 by 5. Okay? Clear? Clear? In this way you solve it. Okay? Next day I will upload the different harder sum of the AP. Then I just upload the GP series also. Okay? And the physics chemistry, the video is coming. Physics and chemistry. These are one dimension physics, Newton's law. In case of chemistry, this is the organic chemistry and the language of chemistry and mole concept, different thing. Just I coming day by day. I just upload this. Okay? So if you just understand today the sum, please subscribe the channel. Share the channel to the others. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you.